Bare okirunetwe omumakuru amashomero minje birebinga kwatwa omuriro gasya kandi n'ebintu nyamwinji bihendera bihwerekerere akasheeshe k'eriizooba ishomero rya St.Andrews SS Rubindi Mbarara lyakwatwa omuriro kandi ebintu nyamwinji byabeegi byasisikara.
We saw smoke coming from one of these dormitories behind me, and the dormitory was locked because it is our tradition that we lock dormitories every morning. We only to see smoke coming from the dormitory, so we had to rush with the help of students to start fighting the fire. And of course we had to ring the police, and the police was there. They responded quickly. The DPC was on the site, the RDC, and the firefighters from Mbarara also came in time.
So was anybody inside the dorm?
No, it was locked. I said every morning dormitories are not locked, and students were in class at 8 a.m.
What do you think it was the cause of this fire outbreak?
I cannot establish for now, because we just saw smoke, so we cannot tell you what has caused the fire.
So how
let the police do their work and investigate.
So how many students that this dorm contain?
About 60 students.
In this dormitory?
In this dormitory which has burned. It's for A level block with about 60 boys. Okay, now the damage for now cannot be established, but quickly you can say books, beds, and of course were destroyed.
In stopping this fire. It's very unfortunate, but we are here to assure the school administration and the students that such will not happen. Police has started investigation to ascertain the cause of this fire. Two, I want to assure them that I'll talk with the government I represent to see whether we can come in to give a hearing hand.
Ibyo nibyo byabahari St.Andrews Rubindi kandi omunyamakuru witu Evans Taremwa neshaheji akiri omwanya ogo ninyenda kumwakira mu studio abaze kutugambira embero ko yemerire abana kibabasharramu nebindo kubiriyo bigenda omisho. Evans nakwakira mu studio.
Serena abari batiziwe eshaheji turi eishomero rya St.Andrews Secondary School ezishangu mutawuni kanso ya Rubindi mutawuni kanso omuriro kasharno omuri Mbarara district akasheeshe k'eriizooba abana hamwe n'abeegi bagwire bakagwe oba bumere rya assembly omuriro gukakwata ekizimbe kirimu oburaro bw'abaana ababeegi ababasigazi kandi nikigambwa kugira ngu abaana barikurenga 200 nibo basisikarwe ebintu byabo. Omu background yange nyuma yange abarebati Jesu numureba ekine kizimbe eky'abaana babiri bararamu nikakitweta boys wing dormitory at St.Andrews ekyakwatwa omuriro enyuma n'ebitande hamwe n'ebitande byapya kandi tineho head boy ningashi orokwebembera abeegi nawe reka direct yatugambiraho ahabembera na no kubagwega akabutobe head boy mazina ndo diseptine head boy wa St.Andrews Secondary School Rubindi akasheeshe timu katwaza asembo zakurgaho leo mikano gucumbuka mu dormitory yaboze ibakwita baraka omika bachumbuka jeishore harde omuriro gwayakagwaye sakesi bayesitane n'emparasi na graphics ntigamongo hagiye harama abana bakurenga abana sigi bene gashikara when twansaba government n'abandi abahera bakwasa kutereza yambe ebiziki bigarike ubundi kabunda mu nsoma ogogamara head boy eishomero reka tuzisibona na head garo ahabwa side yabiki na wagiriki ya kugambira kugambira iyo tugambira ku maguru bakabizorera
Edgar was St.Andrews SS Rubindi kandi ari zo batwaza Rubindi Ndonga aho shahibiri baziri shahibiri zakasheshe twarga hasembu abana baza kugoma classes on ibintu byabo twasanga bagakoreba twareba muri kamizero kandi twasasa kwenda inuka wenda hamtima tonka twagira batumurana mbene ntima DTC RDC nabo bona bagasakukirira bakazere bendere iko abaduru kandi bakabasa kumurza imana na headmaster Misabayo yakora umurimo muhango aharitwe abana ba St.Andrews abo kuba yiza yakiyamba kandi okubaho kwe kwakiyamba nonga abo kuba yabasa kureta abantu batasumu umuruba butaka n'abandi yibanza kugeraho kwihawe uyare twareba twasima nonga kandi abasima sabebaza kandi nanyisaba government ya Uganda heri turesida tubakunda government ya NRM edita mu government aid kandi kamweto ya St.Andrews bitero zamukani tubakunda basaba at least mugire tumakora kandi mutiya
rena ituru kugandira polisi kiryo umwanya ekurirwe DPC batiwe no bakoro kutondoza kurebe cyane to mu romu isomereri kandi St.Andrews n'isomero ya bozona biki roho A level and O level kandi ndishangu muri kasharno omurubiri Town Council muri Mbarara district abatidiwe Evan Taremwa hano yo muri Kashaya